The multi-informational display offers the driver convenient information and additional settings at their fingertips. The buttons on the right side of the steering wheel allow easy access to change settings on the display. Content such as outside temperature, time, odometer, gas mileage, and warnings can be cycled through with the left and right arrow buttons. Additional data such as tire pressure, gear position, and sway warning keep the driver up to date with the vehicle's performance in real time. Press and hold the center button to reset any of the measured information being displayed. The back arrow button allows you to go back to a previous screen, and the button below that will go back to the top screen. Press and hold this button to designate the current screen as the top screen. The multi-informational display also gives you access to your navigation system, if equipped, radio settings from all of your different sources, driving assist system information such as dynamic radar cruise control and lane keeping assist, and your warning message display. The gear icon takes you to the settings menu. You can then select and control different features of your vehicle. Here you can also manually set the time for the clock. The multi-informational display allows drivers a unique experience to have all of their vehicle information right in front of them at all times, and gives them convenient hands-free access when they need it.